Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Madam Excellence here. I'm super excited today to show you this delicious juicy garlic butter shrimps recipe. If you're new to this channel, hit the like button and subscribe. So first of all, I would love to do a mega shout out to my amazing friends. They are content creators, Shani's Kitchen Creation, Sweet PASMR, and Millie in Yibinya. These are amazing content creators. Check them out, guys. Thank you. So up next, we are going to be prepping our garlic. It's pretty much the star of the dish. It is called garlic butter shrimps. It is the star of the dish. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the head and cut the bottom so that I can unravel the skin easily, like so. If you're new to this channel, you know what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe. It's free, guys. It's free. It is free. And leave a comment. Try this out and let me know how it went, okay? And after that, we are gonna be chopping up our garlic. Chop it as fine as possible, like so. And that's the finished product. And up next, we are chopping up our parsley. It's washed, and I'm gonna try my best to chop it up as fine as possible. Chop it up as fine as possible, guys, so that it makes it pretty, right? When you sprinkle it on your shrimps, it is not like bulky leaves, right? So I'm going ahead, I'm chopping up my parsley. And if you like what you're seeing so far, hit the like button, hit the red button, subscribe, guys, subscribe, so that I can give you more beautiful, delicious content. Thank you. And up next, we are prepping our shrimps. These are frozen raw shrimps, 2 packs of 300 grams each. I'm gonna go ahead and devein it, take off the skin, and try to leave the tail if you can. If you can't, that's okay. Right ahead, I'll just be walking you through my ingredients. I have cornstarch, I have my parsley that's already chopped, I have my paprika, pepper, onion powder, basil, crushed chicken cubes, crushed ginger powder, and then we have a lemon, we have a garlic, and we have our shrimps, and we have butter. That's salted butter, guys. So go ahead and mix all your ingredients together. And I have black pepper as well. If you like spice, fine, add your pepper. And I mix them all together. I am pouring it on top of the shrimps. Make sure you be careful, don't break the shrimps apart. Be careful, guys. Give it a good stir. Let everything penetrate through the shrimps. Let it go around. Just give it a good stir. You can use your hand. And then I'm going ahead and pouring in my cornstarch. This cornstarch is going to make it crispy. It's not going to, if you fry it, it makes it crispy and nice, not soggy. So when you're done, set it aside, and in a pan, in a skillet, medium heat, guys. First of all, I'm pouring in my olive oil, and then I'm going in with my salted butter. And I poured in the olive oil first because once you put butter first, it becomes brown. When the butter starts heating up, it becomes brown. So to prevent it from turning brown, put olive oil or regular vegetable oil first, a little bit, and then put in your butter. That's a little secret, guys. And then when it's hot enough, put in your shrimps. Space them out. Give it about 1 minute on each side. And then you flip it like so. Just keep doing it. And when it's properly cooked, we are going to be taking these shrimps out. I did 2 batches because the shrimps were a little bit much. So flip it 1 minute each. Don't overcook your shrimps, guys. Don't overcook your shrimps. 1 minute max. And then we're going to take it out into the plate, and then still that pan, pour in your olive oil again, and put in your butter. I use salted butter. If you notice, there was no salt in my spices because I'm using salted butter. If you are using regular butter, you can go ahead and sprinkle a little salt on your shrimps. And then when it's a little hot, put in your crushed garlic, your chopped garlic, and then give it a good stir. Let the garlic sweat a bit, not burn, just about a minute or two. Medium heat, guys, medium heat. And then we're going in with our parsley. We're putting in our parsley. Look at the color, it's coming together. It's coming together, guys. Give it a good stir. Let it soak in all the juice from the butter and the garlic. Let it soak it in. Soak it in. Give it a good stir. And then we are going right in with our shrimps again. Guys, it's coming together. And then you keep stirring, baste the shrimps. Just keep going. Make sure every shrimps is covered. Make sure the butter goes through all the shrimps. Make sure garlic is on every single shrimps. Make sure and also your heat is medium heat. Remember, we don't want to burn our shrimps. We don't want to overcook it. And then I went in with half a lemon. I just squeezed the lemon in there just to give it that citric, tangy taste. This is yummy and juicy. Look at that. Look at everything is just bubbling and it smells good. My kitchen smells good, guys. Yes, guys, I'm done. I am about plating, and I cooked a pot of rice, a little bit of rice, basmati rice. I'm going to be eating this with rice. You can eat it as is. You can pair it with rice. But me, I'm using rice, guys. I'm using rice. I can't dull myself. No dulling here, no dulling. Look at the juice. Look at it. It smells so good. Try this recipe out, guys. Try it out and give me feedbacks. Hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, and if you try it out, let me know. And if there's any other recipe you would love for me to prepare, let me know. That is the outcome, guys. That is the finished product, guys. It looks so delicious, so yummy, so juicy, so juicy. And then I went ahead, I reserved a little bit of the parsley, and I just went in and just sprinkled it just for, a little bit of color. And there you go. There you go. Thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you so much for watching to this end. I appreciate you guys. I really, really appreciate your support. Thank you so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye.